something really cool to show you today. This is from our good friends at Raven Moto. Full disclosure, they did send this out to me, and we have a couple of more really cool things. Now, I already know what this is, but I have not seen it yet in real life. I just heard about it, and you guys have heard about it too. This is the new, I think they're called Arcane pants from Raven Moto. It's their armored joggers for riding, and man, they already look sick. So let's check them out. First little opening, unboxing. Oh, they sent me a new pair of gloves. Here is their new armored jogger, and oh my god, they feel so nice. Whew. Dude, these are so hard. Oh my god. Ride rich, Nicky Boys toys, eat your heart out. These are absolute fire. Listen, Raven Moto's always had the best riding pants. In my opinion, their riding jeans are so sick, but these are on another level of sick. Oh my god, dude. These look so sick, and they have pockets everywhere. Kevlar liner. Damn, I'm at a loss of words. Classic Raven Moto on the side. Big old vent zipper, YKK zippers, by the way. Obviously, we're gonna put these on and go for a ride, because I have to sit on the bike with these things and see what kind of outfit we can put together. We got a nice... Guys, I'm not gonna lie, my whole outfit right now is absolutely fire. This is the mood right here, my friends. I'll tell you what, these pants are really comfortable, and I'm getting a ton of airflow through these things, and I don't even have them opened up, to be honest with you. You really do get a lot of air through these. It's actually really nice. There's no reason why not to wear pants now when you got something like this out. Like, I can't believe how cool they are. Really, really cool. Way more than their regular riding jeans that Raven Moto makes, which I still like. I probably wouldn't have, these probably aren't ideal for the winter time, to be honest with you. There's a lot of wind coming through these things. It feels really good, actually. I like them. And you get the armor, the Kevlar. My god, these are awesome. Great job, Raven Moto, 10 out of 10. And I'm not just saying that because they sent these to me. They are really that good, guys. Like, I'm actually really surprised at how much air is coming through these things. But that's also a bad thing for the Panigale, because, you know, Panigales are hot. So that just means hot legs. Gotta get back before my freaking visor. Yeah, it's getting dark. Well, yeah, guys, as always, if you need any riding gear, Raven Moto, I'm telling you, like, these gloves, look at how sick these things are. And the Velcro is improved, I can tell you that right away. It's way different than the other Velcro, but these are sick too. I love the Storms. That's why they sent me out some new ones. I crashed into them. They were super beat up, and they actually were nice enough to send me a new pair out. So thank you guys for that. But they're also really, really good. I think honestly these are the first piece of gear I bought off Raven Moto was these gloves. And I think since then it's the only thing I actually bought off them, because I just love their stuff so much. But yeah, these, like I said, these pants are really, really cool, but they're also, because of this bike, you feel that heat coming off that motor a lot more. But man, I can't believe how much airflow is coming through these things. It's actually really nice. And I love the pocket features. Like, I can get to this pocket super easy that's right here by my leg. because my leg's up on my peg, and I could just kind of get to it if I don't know why you would need to get there while you're actually riding, but you know, it's a nice thing to have, you know, if you're traveling. Or man, these are really good pants. This all around good pant. Oh man, yeah guys, these are super comfortable and I really like them a lot. They look awesome, by the way, on here. Like, these things look so sick. I love them. Absolutely love them. And thank you, Raven Moto, again for this new Storm gloves. Y'all know I love these things. I think it was actually my first gear that I bought from Raven Moto was the gloves. Having too much fun on this thing. Alright, so I've had these out on the bike for a few hours, rode all around. I absolutely love them. One thing that I noticed, like right out of the gate, is how breathable they are compared to, I don't know, their jeans, Raven Moto jeans, which are really good, but they're, you know, I wear the Raven Moto riding jeans all year long. Summer, winter, I'll just throw a pair of long underwear under them, but they're really good for pretty much all year round. These things are really going to be good for summertime. Like, the amount of breathability I was getting through these was really nice. And again, Kevlar liner in all the high impact areas, and the rest of it is just like, you know, kind of like you would get when you buy a pair of, you know, army camo pants, like that cotton polyester type of feel. But the difference is with Raven Moto is, look at the stitching on the pocket ends. And this is something that's really, really important. That stitching is really nice. Double stitched, triple stitched, box stitched. That's what you want to see. The Velcro stitching around the Velcro, really nice. I've gotten stuff from like Dixon Flannel where like their Velcro, like their stitching where the Velcro falls apart, and you know, that's from like day one, right when you get it out of the freaking package from the mail. So I've been reviewing stuff on my channel for a long time, so I think you kind of take my word for it. I wouldn't sell you guys, you know, snake oil. And I just try to show you the best that I can, all of the details that, for the reason why you're going to pay $300 for an armored cargo riding jogger that's camouflage. These are sick. They look awesome. I'm going to throw some B-roll up of me on the bike and kind of the couple of looks that I threw together. One's with the Alpine Stars, and then the other one's with my Dying Easy in the white. And I think both looks really sick. One thing that I really do appreciate from Raven Moto is, yeah, these are a jogger, but for me personally, I kind of rather have them a little bit baggier, and I like that they gave that option here with the zipper, which is still a YKK zipper, which is good on them. I think I talked about this in the beginning of the video, but that was yesterday, so I kind of forget, but there is a pocket on this side up in this leg which is really nice. Again, YKK zipper. Then you have another pocket, and we're on our left leg here. We have a pocket here, cargo, with a YKK zipper. Then we have one running down the side, YKK zipper. You can just put all kind of different things. Now, I want to make sure you guys know, though, it's the same pocket, so you can just use either zipper, which is pretty sick. I mean, it just, and really with the benefit, you're going real long distances, you can have different ways to access your stuff. Just be cognizant of where your zippers are and what you're using. So that's pretty cool. Something different Ravenmoto has done is they put their armor on the outside-ish, so you no longer have to go inside the pant to tuck the armor into the pant. Like their side armor, hip armor, is now available right through the outside, and this is all CE rated. CE rated armor, and it's actually way beefier than their original stuff, because I have some of their first stuff that they've ever come out with, and you're more than welcome to take that stuff out of your pants if you want to. For the bottom, you're gonna have to do the zipper here, and that'll take the armor out of your knee pad and your shin. Again, that's a YKK zipper. You still have the classic Ravenmoto front zipper that is gonna allow a lot of airflow and hot air out of your thighs. And what's cool that I'm noticing that's different from the originals is you're going right to the skin there. So there's no, like the other ones were kind of blocked by part of the pocket and part of the Kevlar. These ones, you're just getting a lot of airflow. Not to mention, these pants breathe really, really, really well. That's one thing I've noticed, like right out of the gate. Not to mention, they're super comfortable. They look stylish. They just breathe really well. So if you live in Texas or hot weather, I mean, most of them are riding in the summer, and you know, you're like, oh, I'm gonna put shorts on because, you know, freaking it's hot. You don't really have much of an excuse not to wear armored pants when you have something that looks like this available to you. And I know they're pricey at $300, but you should really understand that you buy these, and I know these are kind of like a niche type of pant. Like everybody has to have a dope pair of cargo pants in their armored collection for their riding gear, like street riding, stunt guys. I mean, this guy, I mean, I'm out on a super bike with these, and I just think the outfit looks totally killer. And I have never seen anybody really rock it yet, honestly. I think I might be the first one on YouTube and anywhere that has the Ravenmoto cargo pants on a super bike. And thank you, Ravenmoto. I don't even know if these released yet technically. I think they definitely Friday, but I don't know if it was last Friday or this Friday. So, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but these are called the Arcanes, and I love the name. They're just really dope. So lots of breathability, drawstring, lots of details, really nice stitching. You have a zipper in the front, so you don't have to pull your pants down. That's nice. You have that zipper there, YKK. On this side, you're gonna get that classic Ravenmoto stitched and boarded, nice and stitched. Their branding, which is like barely even visible with, you know, the camouflage. And then you have on this side some more YKK zipper cargo pockets, and if I'm not mistaken, these are two separate deals. Actually, no, this one goes all the way, and then this one, yes, so this one goes all the way down, and then this one's a separate pocket on top of that. Now in the back, you just have some classic deep pockets, but if you look in the corners where pockets always like to tear, they're double and maybe even triple stitch there, and that's a really nice feature to have. So you know when you're putting stuff in your pockets all the time, you're not gonna tear your pocket. So these are really good pants that you're gonna have for a long time, granted unless you crash your bike, and so don't do that. But man, these are really sick, guys. I absolutely love them. You're gonna be seeing these a lot on the channel. I think, you know, they're really close competitors to their actual riding jeans for me, because I like the jeans, but you know, Camo's sick looking. There's always a place for Camo with me. I know some guys don't like it, but if you're on a bike, it's like, who cares? You're on a sick ass bike. Nobody can really say anything about your pants, right? So you get the armor, DuPont coating, breathable, really good stitching, and they look cool. So what more can you ask for, right? So go ahead, shop Raven Moto, use my discount code Hardcity, all caps, I get you 10% off. And yeah, that's kind of all I got for you guys. I'm not gonna draw this out. They're just really good. And by the way, if you shop that affiliate link at Raven Moto, I do get a kickback from that. Really helps out the channel and kind of helps what we're doing here. And again, I only put stuff like this on my channel that is the absolute best. Like, I wouldn't be showing you guys Raven Moto if it was junk or garbage. I have all of their stuff. It all holds up. One thing I will say, like they have made adjustments, like their gloves. These are soaked right now because I got caught in the rain, which is going to be another video you guys are going to see what it's like riding a Panigale in the rain. So make sure you subscribe because I got lots of content. But anyway, these are the new Raven Moto Storms they sent out to me. Obviously, I've had these, well, some of you may not know, but I've had these gloves for a long time, and they got torn up pretty bad. But their Velcro needed improvement, and they did improve the Velcro on these, and it's much better. So these are the Storms. All their new gloves have the newer type of Velcro too, but I really love the Storms. These are just awesome gloves. So they're always making improvements on their stuff. And one thing that I've noticed about these is the armor is on the outside, kind of. It's not on the outside to where like the Nicky Boys Toys pants, kind of like the little flaps up and you can see the armor, and it just looks terrible. With these, they're actually on the outside, access to, so you can get them out quick if you want, put them back in quick. The older Raven jeans, you had to kind of take them off and on if you wanted to get the armor in and out. And then also when you put your foot in, your foot would kind of get caught in the deal, and I tore them twice actually. I stitched them up, but these ones you don't have to worry about that. So they're always making improvements to their gear. They're innovating, they're making cool stuff that nobody else is, they're going against the grain, and I like it. So shop in those links, you help out the channel, and get yourself some riding pants. Not pants, joggers. So in theory, you can actually just rock these. Like, you can literally get on your bike, have the armor, take the armor out and go work out at the gym, and really you just look like you're wearing cargo pants, like cargo sweatpants. They're like that universal. You can work on your bike with these because you have the knee pads. So I do that a lot with the jeans. I just have them on when I'm going to work on the bike. That way I have the knee pads there. They're very multi-functional jeans and pants, and I like them. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Sorry about the lighting, guys, on my face, but the only way I could actually get a good, the only way I could get a good picture of what this camouflage looks like is by being in this kind of like direct sunlight. So sorry about the shading here, but I mean.